Olympic Day 2025. Let's move together for motivation, community, and joy. Olympic Day, celebrated every year on June 23rd, commemorates the founding of the International Olympic Committee, IOC, in 1894 in Sorbonne, Paris. Established in 1948, the day promotes Olympic values and encourages global participation in physical activity. Its mission has grown, from a small run involving a few national Olympic committees to a global celebration involving millions. For 2025, the Olympic Day theme is Let's Move, reflecting a global call to engage in physical activity for improved health, inclusion, and well-being. This initiative, developed jointly by the IOC and the World Health Organization, OU, seeks to combat global inactivity. 1 in 3 adults and over 80% of teens don't meet recommended activity levels. By encouraging daily movement, walking, running, playing, or stretching, the campaign aims to foster healthier lifestyles worldwide. Health impact. Just 30 minutes of physical activity daily significantly reduces risk of heart disease, stroke, diabetes, certain cancers, hypertension, depression, and anxiety. Social inclusion. It emphasizes that movement is accessible to all, regardless of age, gender, or ability, aligning with Olympic principles of excellence, respect, and friendship. Global unity. Olympic Day runs, events, and online challenges unite communities. For example, 131 mass events were held globally in 2023 under the initiative. In 2025, over 100 national Olympic committees are expected to host Olympic Day events. Eurolympic.org, ranging from Olympic Day runs, fun runs of 1.5 kilometers, 5 kilometers, or 10 kilometers. n.wikipedia.org. First introduced in 1987 with just 45 knocks, and now a global institution, digital workouts and virtual challenges, often with Olympian ambassadors. In 2023-24, Olympians like Allyson Felix and PV Sindhu participated in educational seminars and sports fairs, promoting Olympic values and healthy living. Community engagement. Interactive events in schools, parks, and city centers to promote inclusivity and joy through movement. Origins. Olympic Day marks the IOC establishment in 1894, sparking the first modern Olympic Games in Athens. 1896 First Olympic Day, June 23, 1948. Portugal, Belgium, Canada, Norway, Greece, Uruguay, Switzerland, the UK, and Venezuela held inaugural celebrations, pillars of Olympic Day. Move, learn, discover, focusing on active living, education about Olympic values, and cultural exchange. In 2023, the IOC and WHO launched the Let's Move campaign to tackle global inactivity. WHO.int. They support inclusion through Olympism 365, a strategy contributing to UN Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, particularly in health, peace, and inclusive communities. School programs, Paris, 2024 already integrated 30 minutes of daily PE. Many NOCs and educational ministries are expanding such efforts. Grassroots runs. In addition to large 10 kilometers runs, local 1.5 kilometers and 5 kilometers events empower kids, families, and amateurs to participate. Online community. Hashtags like #Let'sMove and #Olympic Day on social media platforms unite participants globally and encourage sharing of personal fitness journeys. NOC participation. From 45 in 1987 to over 100 plus by 2023, Olympic Day events are truly global digital reach. Millions reached via online campaigns. In 2023 alone, Let's Move pushed 15 million people toward daily 30-minute workouts. Long-term benefits. Through sustainable programs like Olympism 365 and IOC WHO collaboration, Olympic Day promotes health habits and unity beyond a single day. IOC President Thomas Bach highlighted sports' power to strengthen body and mind and bring people together. WHO Dr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus praised Olympic Day as a tool to promote global physical activity and health. Youth ambassadors, Olympians like Allyson Felix and PV Sindhu, encouraging daily movement through online challenges. As we approach June 23, 2025, Olympic Day offers an opportunity to 1. Move, walk, run, dance, stretch, or play for 30 minutes. 1. Learn, discover Olympic values and global sports heritage. 1. Connect. Join runs, virtual sessions, or local sporting events. 1. Share. Use social media with #Let'sMove and #Olympic Day to inspire others. Olympic Day 2025, with its theme Let's Move, is more than a celebration. It's a global movement toward healthier, more inclusive, and joyful communities. Whether you run a 10 kilometers race, explore a new sport, or simply commit to 30 minutes of daily movement, Olympic spirit invites everyone to play, unite, and thrive.